That's great. Let's get into our workspace. Where is the workspace? 906. Let me open the fourth document. Many things. How to work with commands. How to make how to work with Maven properties, exclude option. How to make one Maven project as dependent to another Maven project. Scopes of jar files. Parent inheritance in Maven. Come on. How to pack, how to get the control on packet name. Many things we learned in other days class, right? And today we are going to discuss how to write test cases using JUnit. Sir, I don't know JUnit. Don't worry, we are going to learn exclusive later. Today we'll try to learn basics of JUnit. How to run test cases along with the Maven build process. How to generate the test report and how to include the test report in project report. That's the point number one. Point number two. So far, we are developing only standalone application using Maven. But I would like to develop what? Web application using Maven. I don't want to develop standalone application. I would like to develop what? Even web application. This is another requirement I have. Okay, got it? Yes. Yeah, tell me next one. Spring here. Tools FS. Tell me next one. 906. Maven. Tell me here, where is this? View as a list. Okay. View as a list. Yeah. All the testings will be done by testers, but unit testing is the responsibility of what? Programmer testing on his own piece of code, your combination. Test case is a test plan where expected results will be matched with what? Actual results. Test case is a test plan where expected results will be matched with what? Actual result. Each @test method represents one test case. Maven project gives JUnit dependency as what? Default dependency, so that we can write what? Test cases which will be executed automatically in test phase of the Maven default lifecycle. Once you write the test cases, guys, they will be executed automatically in test phase of default lifecycle. We need not to run the test cases separately. Only the thing is, in SRC test Java folder, you write the test case class having test cases. Each test case will be written by using one @test method, @test annotation, which is placed on the top of the method. Test case is a test plan where expected results will be matched with what? Actual results. Every test case is a test plan in the form of what? @test method in test case class. In test case class, the test case methods will be there annotated with what? @test. While placing @test method in test case class, the test case class make sure that you are writing them in different varieties of inputs. We are writing them in what? Varieties of input. Okay. We'll discuss that one by one. Close all editors. That's good. Okay. New. Where is this? New. Where is this? Not that. Maven project. We'll take a freshy one. Say next. Maven archetype quick start. Say next. Maven archetype quick start. Say next. What is there? Maven pros 04. What is there? Yeah, tell me. Me when pros, what is there? 04 or 05? Me when pros 05. Okay, unit testing. I'm taking what? Unit testing until com.nt.service. Okay, I want to see Java 21 as my version, guys. JUnit version latest only there. Let's be happy with that. Save finish. Say yes. Yeah, that's good. Service. Here is what? Application dot. Okay, I'll change the class name to ARITH. Arithmetic service. Say next. Next. Finish. Arithmetic service dot Java. Public into sum into x comma into y. Return x plus y. This is my business method. Arithmetic service dot Java. Tell me. Arithmetic service test dot Java. Arithmetic service test dot Java. See, by default, okay, based on the main class name, this is test case class. Here, test case methods will be there. Every test case method will be having one test annotation. I will teach JUnit more exclusively later. Today, just basics. Test case class is a class that contains test case methods. Test case method is a test plan where expected results will be matched with what? Actual result. If matched, test case is true. If not matched, test case is failed. That much simple it is, right? Okay. Yeah. Both online and online students, those who missed initial classes, please collect these as backup class. But how come only 5 sessions? It should be more than that. I think me even fourth session and initial 2 introduction sessions, right? Total 6 sessions. Yeah, that's right then. Yeah, excluding these 5 sessions are there. Okay, the people who missed initial classes. Okay, the people who there is which I repeat, entire Mavena. Sorry. Total Maven I cannot repeat. Watch the videos. Okay. There is what you Deepraz, what is there? Deepraz Patedar. What I should repeat, you give me clarity first. Guys, missing class, repeat class, sleeping 45 minutes, one more time, sir. Sorry, I'm not that much patient person, guys. Okay. So you are seeking knowledge. You should be alert. You are asking knowledge from me. You should be alert to take the knowledge. I don't treat student as a customer. I'll treat student as student only. You are wrong. You are wrong. I am wrong. I am wrong. Customer is always right, but student never be right or wrong. It depends on the situation, right? No, sir. No, entire sir. Today, create class. Sir. You are asking me to create class. This class won't, we don't create, Babu. It will come automatically. We don't create this class. When you create the project in SRC test Java, it will come automatically. Waste fellows. That means not done practicals. That means not done practical. That's a problem. Okay. On public demand, not public demand, 1% demand. Okay. On 1% demand, let me do this work manually. Say next. Tell me. Maven hyphen. Archetype hyphen. What is there? Quick start. Say next. Maven pros. What is there? 05. Maven pros 05. Com dot. NT dot. Com dot. NT dot service. Say next. Say yes. Com dot NT dot service. Say yes. Tell me. Maven 05. Here is what? Pom.xml. This is my 21. This is my 21. You have to update the project, guys. Maven update the project. Then only Java version will be changed. Yeah, tell me. ARITH, arithmetic service. Say next, say next, say finish. Arithmetic service dot Java. Public into sum into x comma into y. Return x plus y. What is there? Return x plus y. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Yeah, that's great. Tell me next one. Public into sum into x comma into y. Return what? X plus y. We are dealing with x plus y or not there, guys? Yeah, that's great. Tell me what is the next story to focus? Yeah, SRC main Java, this. Arithmetic service test dot Java. Arithmetic service test dot Java. Okay, see, if you modify class name there, automatically class name is modified here. Public void. You can take any name, guys. Yeah, generally, we should always write multiple test cases with different varieties of inputs. Different varieties of inputs means, suppose some method is there. I have to test with the small numbers. I have to test with the big numbers. Test with a small number, test with a big number, test with the zeros, test with a mixed number, positive, negative numbers. Yes, now my dear? Yes. Okay. Test sum with big numbers. Big numbers, right? Tell me. First of all, let me create object for create service class object. Yeah, tell me. Arithmetic service is equal to new arithmetic service of. I'm trying to tell me. Into actual is equal to actual result, boss. Service dot. Okay. 100. Okay. 1000 comma 10,000 comma 20. How many zeros? 1 lakh comma 2 lakh. Yeah, it is integer only. It is this. Integer only this. Tell me next one. Into expected is equal to 3 lakhs. Into expected is equal to 3 lakhs. Comfortable, my dear? Come on. One more zero. Yeah. Expected is equal to this 3 lakhs. Okay, fine. So I'm trying to match actual results with what this one. Otherwise, let me do like this. It will be more good. Int x is equal to 1 lakh. Into y is equal to 2 lakh. Sum of x comma y. Sum of x comma y. Here is what? Expected. Okay, expected is what? I am manually calculating 3 lakh. Expected always manual calculation, actually is business. Okay, boss. Now, here we have method to generate the test report, that is assert equals. What is there, guys? Assert equals. That is always what, guys? Assert equals. That is always what? Assert equals. Tell me. Assert equals. Assert equal. First expected, then actual. First expected, then what? Actual. We have to import it, guys. Add static import. Static import means method can be called without class name because method is a static method. Look at the signature of this. First what? Expected, then what? Actual. So it is big numbers, guys. Test with small numbers. Test with a small number. 10, 20. Here what? 30. Okay. That is one more use case. That is one more test case, guys. Copy this, paste it. With zeros. 0, 0. What is there? 0. That's fine. Test sum with what? Positives. What is there? Test sum with positives. 20. X comma y. 10, 20, x comma y. Or positives already taken, boss. Fine. Negatives. We'll take what? Negative values. Yeah, negatives. Minus 10, minus 20, x comma y. Here what is that? Minus 30. That's good. At the rate test. Mixed values. Test sum with what? Mixed values. Okay. Got it, my dear? Come on. Test sum with what? Mixed values. Arithmetic service test.java. What dot Java? Arithmetic service test.java. Close all editors, guys. Tell me next one. Right click. Where is this? Right click, run as JUnit test. Right click, run as JUnit. It was minus 30, but we have written one is failed, guys. One is failed. Click on it. Last one we have not changed. Mixed case, it should be 10. It should be 10. Mixed value 10. Okay. Now I'm running through Eclipse IDE only for knowledge sake. Green color means all are matching. But I want to run this application through what? Maven. So when you want run through Maven, run as build. Okay, what is there? Test. Yeah, listen, I said the other day, why there is no run, why there is no run phase or execute phase? Why? No one will run to see the output. Everyone will run the test cases. When you run, you will see only one output. But when you run test cases, you are checking the code in multiple permutations and combinations or not. That's why a good practice in real time is not running and seeing the output. Running the test cases and to check whether code is satisfied in all permutations and combinations or not. Whether our code is satisfied in what? In multiple permutations and what? Combinations or not. That's good. Apply, run. Apply, run. We got error, boss. That's great. Why error? Where is the error? Build fail. Pom.xml. Where is the fail? Reason for build failed is what? Failed to execute goal. Okay. Release version 21 not supported. Nothing is there. Here still 17 only coming. Why? 21. Wait a minute. Update is not done properly. It's JUnit 5 means definitely Java 21 is required, it seems, but I have not taken, it seems. Save OK. Yeah, now change it to 21. Now change it to 21. Okay, that's fine. Tell me, run as build. Where is this? Test. Apply, run. Build success has come. Build success has come. Total 5 runs. Failures are 0. Errors are 0. Skipped is coming or not there, guys. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm interested to generate the test report. I want to generate the test report. Check it out. Create Maven project using archetype, but change version to 21. Update the project. Each test case is a test plan where expected results will be matched with actual results. Goal test. Okay, that's good. Each plugin contains multiple goals representing multiple tasks. That is, can perform, that it can perform, that it can perform. Surefire report goals are Surefire report. Or if you want to get the report, this is the plugin name, this is the goal. Surefire report. Surefire report is one plugin that you have to write. Okay, just a minute. I want, see right now, only dot class file test classes have come. Right click, run as, build. Goal is what? Goal is Surefire. Hyphen report. Goal is report. Say apply, say run. Say apply, say run. What is there? Build success. Build success. Come to this. Refresh. Come to this. What is there? Refresh. Tell me. Target. Surefire reports. Surefire reports. No. Here one more folder reports is there. Array, where is that, guys? Where I can see? Surefire report. There should be something called index.html. In the reports is there? Huh? Yeah, surefire.html. What.html? Surefire.html. Let me open in the browser. Open with browser. Yeah. Report has come. Check it out. How many tests this? Errors are 0. So it's giving a summary of all test cases package wise. 5 are there. Next, arithmetic service test dot class. What is there, guys? Arithmetic service test class is there. Is it coming or not coming, boss? Come on. Every day. Okay. See, test report is coming nicely here or not there. Packages list, test case classes, class wise. If we can have one for every service class, one test case class. For every business method, multiple test case methods, right? So you can write multiple test case classes. In that one, multiple test case method. Class wise, package wise, we can list out all the test results are not there. Am I putting efforts to generate this report? But in seconds, we are getting the report or not there, guys. This is some kind of automation only, na, my dear. Definitely it comes under what? Some extent automation only, na, boss? Interesting or not there, guys? Okay. No, sir. I want to get complete report, not test report, total project report I want to get. Already I discussed. There is a one more goal called site. Site is already, that phase is there purely for documentation, right? Yeah. Here what is there? Site. But I want to clean the existing one, then go for site. Say apply, save, run. Say apply, say run. Okay. Might have come. Say refresh. Might have come. Say refresh. Tell me here, where is the story? Build success. Target, guys. Hey, not coming. Okay, now refresh again. Target, guys, site. Here, index.html. Open with web browser. First, overall project information, guys. In that one, dependencies information. Jars that are added. Their dependents. Come on. Dependency tree, licenses, dependency details. Like this, multiple things we are getting are not there, boss. Maven coordinates. Apache Maven, Apache IVI, Groovy Grape, Grade Grails, Scala SBT, all this stuff. This is my dependency management. This is about what? Plugin management. Plugins summary. Overall summary. Is it not interesting? We are not doing anything. Happily what? Source code is coming or not? I mean, say, entire documentation about the project is coming or not there. That's why some part of you people say this is project management tool also. But that's unofficial. Officially, it is what? Build tool only. As part of build only, it is giving many other facilities. As part of build activity only, it is giving me what? Many other facilities, guys. Okay. Sir, you said Maven giving me what? Decompiler. How can I feel decompiler is there or not there? Okay. Now this is assert equals na. Okay, it's a predefined method. So you press F3. You're able to see source code or not there. Again, assert equals. Able to see source code or not there. By default, source code is not possible in a normal project, guys. Maybe JDK class is possible, for the advanced classes not possible. Unless until you use decompiler explicitly. But Maven comes with what? Built-in decompiler. Maven comes with what? Built-in decompiler. So you will get happily get what? You will definitely happily get what? This one. So that's another feature that we are having. Check it out. Surefire report generate test result into HTML format. Report only. Goals. This goal does not run test, but it only builds what? Test report. Check it out both the difference. Much difference will not be there. Okay, when I run previous one, okay, once again run it. Right click, run as build, Surefire report. What is the goal I want to run? A report. See, it's giving, it is running the test and giving test report also now, boss. Okay. Look at this one. Look at this one. Everything is coming here or not there? Main coordinate, project information, all this stuff. Okay, now. Now, yeah, site is there. Tell me. Summary dot this. Summary dot this. Okay, let it be. So now I'll go for a right click. Tell me. Run as Maven build. Maven build. Surefire report colon. What is there? Report only. What is there? Report only. Say run. Is there any execution of test, guys? No. Look at the site. Say refresh. Only without running the test cases, report has come. Without running the test cases, the report has come. Okay. Go to target folder. Here is what? Site. Here is my what? Index.html. Open with what, guys? Web browser. Open with what? Web browser. Are you understanding my statement? Okay, this time test report is not generated. Test report is not generated. Come on. Okay. Test report is what? Not generated. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on, everyone. And remaining things are happening or not there, guys. Is that clear, my dear? Come on. Okay. That's really great. Fantastic, guys. Okay. Without, you want to generate report with by running test cases, without running test cases. See, what's the difference between Surefire report only? Goals of. Report goal, Surefire report, not only execute the JUnit test code, but also generate the test report. Having HTML, okay, folder. Report only goal, Surefire, does not execute test code, but generates what? Test report. Having this one, this reports folder, right? And if you want to see the source code, F3 is there, na boss? Okay, if class is there in editor, F3. If class is not there in editor, but still you want to see the source code, then control plus shift plus T option is there or not there. Select the project. Tell me. Control plus shift plus T. What is there? Control plus shift plus T. Type the class whatever you want. Suppose class name is not there here, but I want to go for it. Okay, there is something called test suite. What is there? Something called test suite. Which class? Core Java classes. So many classes are there, na? Local date. Local date. Control plus shift plus T. Where is that? Local date. This is local time. Okay. This is local date time or not there, guys? I want reply, my dear. What is there? Local date time. This is what? Local date time. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on. This is local date time or not there, guys? Yes. Local date time. We are getting the source code over there or not there, guys? I hope you are understanding my statement, boss. Come on. Super. That's great. Executing Maven site command or plugin to get the complete report about the project. Just now we discussed about this entire. Okay, next one. Executing Java application using what? Maven command. We already discussed. Where? There is no execute or run phase. But for the compile or test phase, I want to link with one plugin so that execution also happens or not there. Let me show that. Somewhere arithmetic service.java, boss. Here I will put the main method. Already discussed, but for reconfirmation, I am doing again. Okay, here I am creating object for what? Arithmetic service class. Arithmetic service is equal to, what is there? Arithmetic service. Right? Tell me. System.out.println. Some result is service plus sum. What is there? 1000, 2000. Service plus sum 1000, 2000. This is my arithmetic service test.java or not there? This is my what? Arithmetic service test.java. What do you say, guys? Come on, everyone. Arithmetic service test.java. Comfortable, my dear? Come on. Yes. Okay. Maven pros 05. Run as what? Maven pros 05. Run as this. Yeah. What is that? When I run manually, it is giving output. It's not like that it's not giving output. Result is. But I want to run through Maven. But is there any execute phase or run phase, my dear? No. Unfortunately, we don't have execute phase or what? A run phase. When not there, what should happen? We have to add a plugin and you have to link with the test phase or not there. Okay. But I don't want to remember all this nonsense. I don't want to remember all this now because those tags are very complex tags now, boss. Okay, at that time AI agent comes into picture. What is that? ChatGPT. Whenever anything your brain does not support, take the support from ChatGPT. But proper prompting is required, right? Yeah, tell me. Maven plugin in pom.xml to execute the Java application by linking with the test phase. That means in the test phase, test cases should run. Along with that, execution also should happen. That means main method should be called. Already test phase is having one built-in plugin to execute the test cases. Now I want to link another plugin to the test phase so that testing will happen, execution also happen. By linking with what? Test phase. Yeah, see guys, here what is there? 3.6.1 ID, some ID. Phase is what? Test. What goal you want to execute? Java. What class you want to execute? Main class. Everything clearly there now, my dear? Yes. Go to this section, pom.xml. Yes. Go to which section? Pom.xml. This is my plugin section. Inside that paste, but 1 minute. This plugins and build already there. You remove that. Only plugin opening, plugin closing only I have to put. Yeah. This is the plugin. This is the plugin. This is the version. ID can be anything, guys. Run one. Which phase you want to link? Test phase. With what goal? Java. Java goal means execution goal, guys. What's the class name? com.nt.service dot. Tell me. Arithmetic. Where, sir? Arithmetic service. Where main method is there, that I have to mention. Where main method is there, that I have to specify or not there. That means I have linked everything with the test phase or not there, guys. I have linked everything with what? Test phase. And now check it out. Run as build. Here I mentioned test only, guys. Here I mentioned test. Test is happening, but output is coming or not. Hey, not coming. Array, plugin is not linked. Why so? No, test is coming, but I should get main method result also, na boss. Okay. Spell mistake. Where? 1 minute. Sys trace to feel whether main method is executed or not. In pom.xml, okay. Where is red color is not coming, na? Class name. Arithmetic, right. ARITH, arithmetic service is the main. Right click, guys. Tell me. Run as build. Where is this? Test. Arrow apply, arrow okay. Output, where is main method execution statement? Okay, we'll see in another angle. Mozo 1.6.0 main class. EXEC Java. We'll try in this angle. EXEC Java. Apply, run. Build failure. ORG dot, is it related to version, guys? Plugin opening and closing, clean plugin, resources plugin, compiler plugin, Surefire plugin, jar plugin, install plugin, deploy plugin, reports plugin. These are the plugins that are internally used, boss, for various operation. I feel it is right only. Is there any version issue? Let me try with 1.6.0 version. Is there any version related issues, guys? Right click, run as, build test, apply, run. Hey, what's happening, guys? Test is running, but the expected one is not running. Expected one is not running. Am I missing anything here? Configuration main class, ID run. Maven update. No, already done, na boss. Maven update is already done. There is no need of doing Maven update every time. Let me try. Okay. Otherwise, I'll change it the version. Na? Build. Tell me what is there. exec colon Java. Yes, finish. exec colon Java. Wait a minute. Already we did this. Already we did in one or other project. Wait a minute. In one or other project, we already did this work, guys. Maybe version issue. Plugin, compiler, plugin, Surefire. Which one we did, guys? In which one we did? First project, huh? Let me search in the first project. API version app1. Yeah. 3.1.0 main class com.nt.service.app. Okay. Let me try with that only. Go to this. What's the version it is asking for, guys? 3.1.0. 3.1.0. Configurations. com.nt.arithmetic service is there, na? Okay. I don't put these executions, everything. I'll just put what? Configurations. Configurations. Let me try now. Right click. Run as, tell me. exec colon Java. Apply OK. Result 30 is coming. No, I want run both. Run as build. Test slash exec colon Java. Test report has come, result also has come. Test report has come, result also has come. Getting my point, my dear? Come on. Yeah, no, fine. Okay, we have to run both goals, guys. If you want to run along with the test or you want to run test also, what you have to do? That or what is done? exec colon Java or test. exec colon Java, not R guys, space test. Yeah. There is no phase called run or execute in Maven default lifecycle. So we need to configure additional plugin called what? Maven-exec- as shown here, specifying the main class name. When there is no run or execute phase in Maven built-in lifecycle. Why there is no run or execute phase in what? Maven built-in default lifecycle. In real projects, we don't run our application or code for testing. We actually run the JUnit test cases for testing code. In that process, code runs what? Indirectly. So, Maven has given test phase, not the run or execute. In real projects, do you run the code or you will unit test the code? Unit testing the code indirectly, nothing but running the code are not there. Unit testing the code, nothing but what? Running the code. That's why they have not given separate what? Run phase. No, sir, you want to run the code, then you have to add extra plugin as shown below. Okay, guys. So far, we have used Maven only to develop standalone applications. Now, time has come to go for web application development. Everything same, guys. You have to use one archetype called SRC main web app. What is that? You have to use one archetype called what? SRC main web app. Are you getting my point? Sorry, archetype is Maven archetype web app. The extra folder that comes here, what? SRC main web app. What's the extra folder that comes, guys? SRC main web app. HTML files, audio files, video file, all those things can be kept in what, guys? In web app folder. What folder? Web app folder. That's good. Close all editors. So now let's develop one web application. Maven project. Say next. Maven hyphen. What is there? Archetype hyphen. What is there? Web app. But web app is 1.5 is latest. Let us to take 11. Say next. What's the name, guys? Maven web app. Okay, Maven web app. What's the default package? com.nt.servlet. But in web application, default package will not come though you specify. Okay, you specify, but it will not come. Where is this, guys? Yes. Where is this, my dear? Yes. Here what? Build success are not there, guys. Here simply what is there, guys? Build success. Maven web app, guys. Here is my Maven web app. Yeah, nothing is there. By default, some JSP will come, but for that one, servlet-api.jar is required. Okay, you just try to add servlet-api.jar. See, packaging where has come now? That means here, old version of JUnit coming. Right now, that's not a big issue. Okay. Here, mvnrepository.com. mvnrepository.com. Jakarta Servlet API, because we are dealing with the latest version now, boss. That's why. Jakarta Servlet API. 6. Okay, why Millennium versions? Okay, 6.1.0. What 0, guys? 6.1.0. Say paste. 6.1.0, say this. Jakarta Servlet API. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Jakarta Servlet API 6.1.0. Here is what? Provided. What is there? Provided. Okay. Jakarta Servlet API 6.1.0. Here is what? Provided. Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yes, that's good. Okay. Servlet API. Once that is added, that's fine. But unfortunately, SRC main web app, here is what? Index.jsp. Okay, don't worry about all those stuff. So I want to develop one servlet code, guys. Nothing else. I want to develop servlet code. Yeah, the moment you develop this, guys, you have to do some settings. In pom.xml servlet API jar is added na. Some settings you have to do. Go to build path. All the things are given. Don't worry. Here, some checkboxes are not selected now, my dear. It's saying some boxes are. You select these checkboxes. You select these checkboxes. Apply. Okay. So now some folders will come. Check it out. Some folders have come now, my dear. Come on. Okay, it is showing Java version as 81.8. But nowadays, who is working with 1.8? No one. So it's better to change to latest version 21. Yes, okay. Here, what is there? Compiler version 21, 21. All these steps are clearly given. Don't worry. Maven update. Save. Maven update. Yeah, what is this? Using Maven archetype web app project created. In pom.xml servlet API jar is added. Jakarta servlet API, not JavaX. JavaX means old one. Next, number 3. Okay. By opening properties, build path of the project, two empty checkboxes are there, you select them. Then only this folder structure will appear. Designing issues. Okay. Next, change the version, Java version to your choice version. But I want to run this application in Tomcat. So I have to configure Tomcat server with Eclipse IDE or not there. Okay. Window menu, all this is, already you know how to configure Tomcat server. I'm not teaching anything new. Already you know basics, right? Preferences. Here, what is the option we got? Server. Runtime environment. Add. What is there? Apache. Tomcat 11. What is there? Tomcat 11. Browse. What's there, guys? Browse. Tell me. What's there, guys? Browse. Tell me, what is the story to focus? E-dry. What's there? E-dry. E-dry. Not E-dry. D-dry. Tomcat. How much? 11. Tomcat 11. Tell me, guys, what is the story to focus? Select to folder. Say next. Apply. Say next. Apply. Close. That's great. Close all editors, boss. Close all editors. Here is what? Maven web app. What is there? Maven web app. This is my build success. SRC main. What is there? Web app. This is my index.html. Okay, here we write some code, guys. What is there in that? Otherwise, we'll make it JSP to servlet communication. ये href season show season name. What is there? Show season name. Forget about that. Go to this place. Here I will create a package com.nt.servlet. Here is my class. Show season servlet. Tell me what is there? HTTP servlet. HTTP servlet is not coming. How come? How come HTTP servlet will not come? HTTP servlet. Servlet response coming, servlet, but HTTP servlet not coming. How very bad it is. HTTP servlet. Finish. How come, guys? Oh, that's a mistake. We should use what? Extends. We should use what? Extends. Tell me. @ web servlet. @ web servlet / season. URL pattern. Same thing I have used here or not? This and this should match. Here is my what? Do get method. What method? Do get. Okay. Public void do get. Request comma resp. Yeah, tell me. Get print writer. Res dot get writer. Set response content type. Res dot set content type. Text /html. Write output to browser. What is there? pw.println. H1 style. What is there? Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. What is there? Text hyphen align center. What is there, guys? HTML2. Okay. Good morning. I'm just writing a message. Good morning. Close H1. Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Good morning is there. Tell me. One add hyperlink. Add home hyperlink. pw.println br ahref. What is there? Index.jsp. What is there? A. Close the stream. What is there? pw.close. Close the stream. Everyone comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. That's good. Tell me. Maven web app. What is there? Maven web app. Or right click. Tell me. Run on server. Run on server. What is the server, guys? Tomcat 11. Okay, 1 minute. But if you just take the server, that is not enough. Go to servers tab. Here we have to configure the server also now, boss. Yeah, come to this Tomcat 11, say next, finish, right click, tell me, run on server, say next, say finish. Nothing is there. We have to start the server once. Some problem in the server starting, guys. Nothing is there when you configure server. Some port numbers will be empty, right? Yeah. 7676. Only problem. That's the only problem. Nothing else. Save the document. Yeah. Now you run the application. Run on server. Say next. Save. Yeah, index.jsp executes automatically. Good morning, home. It's working. Yeah, what is the folder we got automatically, guys? SRC main web app. SRC main Java regular, SR test Java regular. This is for placing supporting file. This is for placing SRC main web app. This is to place what? JSP files, HTML files, that kind of thing extra are not there. SRC main web app is the extra folder. SRC main web app is the extra folder where we can place what? HTML files, audio files, video files, JSP files, all this stuff. Sir, I want to generate a WAR file representing this. Very simple. Tell me. Maven, not Maven. Run as build. Here I am using what option, guys? Package. Apply, run. Apply, run. Build success. Say refresh. Go to target folder where we can see the output. Maven web app.var has come or not there. Collect this. Stop this. Collect this. Stop this. Yeah, tell me. D drive. Tell me next one. Tomcat 11.x. Web apps folder. Say paste. Replace the existing file. Okay. I'm running Tomcat server manual. Tomcat 11.exe file. Test web app root. Array Maven app where? Kema, not Kema. You scroll up session app. Maven web app.var is there or not there? Take another one. The server running on which port number, guys? This server running on which port number? Double 799. Yeah. HTTP. What is there? 7799 slash. What is the name of the WAR file? Maven web. Enter key. Season name. We are able to get it or not there? No, sir. I want to get control on what? WAR file name. I would like to get control on what? WAR file name. If you would like to get control on what? WAR file name. If you would like to get control on what? WAR file name. Tell me. Maven web app 1. Yeah. Tell me what is there. Right click me. Run as build dot dot dot. Okay. Clean. What is there, guys? Clean. Clean the existing one and pack the code. Clean the existing one and what? Pack the code. Double 799. Okay, now look at this target folder, guys. Say refresh. Look at the target folder. Where file name is changed or not? Like this, we can even develop the web application now, my dear. Come on. Only archetype changes, one extra folder, SRC main web app. Remaining all are same, guys. Okay, you add the jar file, change the Java version to 21. Java version to 21. You have to select two checkboxes. And these are the folders you will get for source code, for supporting files, property files kind of thing, unit testing code, unit testing related supporting file. This is for placing web application related one. Okay, this is the standard directory structure, guys, but Maven is having its own directory structure. Okay, see, develop the code. The code placed in SRC main Java, SRC test Java, SRC main resources, test resources. Will go to webinf/classes folder or not. The code placed in SRC main web app will go to webroot folder or not there, guys. And the jars added to Maven dependency section will go to lib folder or not there. Okay. All these are done, guys. Here is my coding. Your coding is done. Okay. Then execution is happening. We are getting output. How to prepare a WAR file? Clean package. How to get control on WAR file name? Go to final name and change it. Go to final name and what? Change it. With this, we completed Maven tool, guys. In Spring Boot microservice classes, I talked a little bit of Maven. So there we got clarity. Here we got clarity. Here we learn more in detail or not there. There you specify. We learned that much, but that is required to start our coding. But here we learned every angle in every permutation and combination are not there, guys. Super. Okay, tell me. Some FAQs also I kept, guys. What is project build process? I don't give answers. Answers are there in those 4 discussions. Yeah. What is build process? It's the process of making our project ready for execution. What are different build tools? Maven, Gradle. What is the difference between Ant build tool and what? Maven, Gradle build tool. Ant is what? Procedural. Everything you have to tell. Maven, Gradle is what? Declarative. You tell something, it will do all before activities, right? Okay. Ant is not intelligent, self-intelligent. Maven is what? Self-intelligent. What is need of adding Maven tool support on the top of what? IDE based project development. On the top of what, guys? IDE based project development. Everyone getting my point, my dear? Come on. IDE based project development will give level 1 easiness. You want to get level 2, level 3 easiness, you have to go for what? Maven kind of tool. What are the Maven features? Archetype, okay, transitive dependency, built-in decompiler, ability to run the test cases and test report. Many things we discussed are not there. What is archetype in Maven? Explain different archetype. It's a project creation template that gives ready-made directory structure. Archetypes popular are what? Quick start and web app. Explain Maven built-in lifecycle and their what? Phases. 3 built-in life cycles are there. Each life cycle is having certain phases are not there. How can you say Maven is what? Self-intelligent. If you ask Maven to perform some action of life cycle, okay, before that whatever actions are required as part of life cycle will be completed automatically or not there. What is dependency management in what? It's all about adding and managing the jar files are not there. What is a transitive dependency management in what? Maven. What is a transitive dependency management in what? Maven. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on, everyone. What is transitive dependency management? Are you getting my point? If you add main jar file, we'll not only get main jar file, we will get their dependent, their dependent. Explain various Maven repositories and their relation. Local, central, and what? Third party. Explain various goals that are there in Maven build life cycle phases. That are there in what? Maven build life cycle phases. That are there in Maven build life cycle phases. Or I am talking about goals, guys. Every phase will have a goals. Goals are linked with what? Plugins. Listed scopes to use in dependency management. 6. Compile, runtime, test. Okay. Provided, import, system. 6 are there. What is the goal or phase we should use to pack Maven project into VAR package? Can you explain group ID, artifact ID, version? Or in a Maven, 3 items are there: project, plugin, dependency, nothing but jar. All the 3 are identified with what? Group ID, company name, artifact ID, item name, project name, plugin name, jar name. Next one is what, guys? Next one is what? Version is what is the plugin we should use to get the test report? Surefire report. What's the plugin to generate a whole document project? Whole document site. What's the Maven inheritance? By making one project as parent project to another Maven project, we can go for Maven inheritance. So the present project related dependencies, plugins, everything will come here or not there. How to keep Maven project packed jar file in a local repository. What repository? How to get control on what? Package file name in Maven project. Use final name tag for that. We have to use final name tag for that or not there. What is the tag we have to use, guys? Final. The tag what you have to use is final name tag. I think you got the clarity about the Maven, my dear. Yes. 1 minute. Yeah. Go to Google Drive base. DevSecApps 2105. Where is 2105? That's good. Here is what? Maven. File upload. Class content. Tools FS. 906. Maven. Session 4. Session 4. File upload. E drive. Workspace. What is there? Workspaces. What's there, guys? Workspaces. Yeah, tell me. Tools FS. FS tools. NT tools 906. Not saved, huh? Where I saved, guys, then? Right click, properties. What's the location? What's the location? Maven web app. FS tools, guys. There is a folder called FS. FS tools. NT tools 906. Yeah, tools FS 906. Right click. This is zip file. Select this. Got it, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. Right, guys. Module. Module. Where is module, guys? No.